Hello, Pakistan. Uh, this is Mustazan Faruqi from Uncle Stocks, our YouTube channel. We are here again to serve you. Today, our topic is related with sports, and the sports best of the best, football. Maybe I'll speak a couple of more sports, what our people, our nation, our kids, our youngsters, our teenagers should practice. Pakistan is a nation which could be very talented in different sports. We have been very good wrestlers, we have been very good cricketers, we have been very good hockey players, we have been in the past 50, 60 years back then good footballers, but not anymore. We haven't been very good in baseball, we haven't been very good in American football, we haven't been very good in basketball, softball. There's so many sports we haven't been good, but doesn't matter. What I am referring today is make up your mind, make up a design that it is almost a motivational speech what I'm trying to give you. It's a motivational little lecture what I'm trying to give you about sports. Sports teach you how to compete, and the spirit of competition tells you what motivation can do to your personality or to your goals or to your achievements. So do not forget that you have to be a sportsman to be a serene and a sane man, or a successful man, or a successful sportsman, or a successful individual, or a guy who wants to win in life, or a guy who's a motivated guy. Sport play a major role to motivate your nerves, to motivate your mind, to develop your body language. So do not leave sport behind. My message is to parents as well. You should take this message very serious, sir. You should try to tell your youngsters, your kids, your offsprings that they must practice sport. They should be a good runner. They should be a good athlete. They should do some bodybuilding. They should do some jogging. They should play some football. Not some football. Pakistan is a country of football. We love football, but it has gone to the television screen, or it has gone to just about talking about it, because you don't have playgrounds, you do not have the grassy fields, you do not have the stadiums. What do you want to do with the generation, young generation? There are more than 5 crores, 6 to 7 crores, I would say, Pakistani youngsters between 15 to 25 years old. And that's a great age to play football and to be a professional footballer. You know, professional footballer is like coming off a factory. It's a brand. It can give you a lot of foreign exchange. I want to give you some examples. The English League, there's so many clubs like Liverpool, Manchester United, Manchester City, Chelsea, Fulham, Derby. Look at the names of these clubs. They have been the champion at different occasions in the English League. Now coming to the Spanish League, Real Madrid. The next is Barcelona, Atletico de Madrid, and you keep going. Then come to the Italian clubs, Juventus, Inter de Milan, Napoli. So many beautiful clubs from Italy. That's Italian league. Now come to the French league. There is the club, a very famous club, Paris Saint-Germain, where Neymar played, Brazilian star played. Lionel Messi is playing in France. In Juventus, Ronaldo from Portugal is playing. So what I'm telling, these are the icon of football, and I gave you some names because I want you to learn these names and the names of these clubs. This is the life of football. Now the World Cup is coming in Qatar. I would definitely ask parents who love sports and who like their kids to get motivated towards sport, they should take a trip to Qatar and go to watch the World Cup. Bring this spirit in your kids. Bring this spirit in your sons and daughters and your family, because Pakistan should be identified by football. There is no sports like football. Do not forget. So join the football tournament World Cup of 2022 in November in Qatar, and give some orientation to your sons and daughters and your nephews and your granddaughters, grandsons, and your neighbors and your neighbors' sons and families and friends. Follow up football. Football is a great industry. Africans are making billions of dollars in Europe. Pakistan can make as well. The Middle East footballers, Pakistan footballer, subcontinent footballer can make a lot of cash. It's an industry, do not forget. But for God's sake, make some stadiums, make some grounds, approve some aids, give free balls to every corner of your country, every village, every suburb, so people can be motivated. They do not have to spend no money. Give them some shoes to play football, give them some socks, give them a jersey, and motivate them. Give them some footballs, make them a nice, beautiful grassy field in every mohalla, in every suburb, in every town. Can't you do that? Don't you want to do anything for football? It is shameful to the government, to the semi-private organization, to the general public, and to the public of Pakistan overall. You have no idea what you really want to do. You are lacking the soul in your body which integrate a nation, and that is called a sportsman. Work on baseball, introduce basketball, work on softball, introduce hockey, cricket. We have nothing against hockey or cricket, but they have its value, they have its margin. These are marginal sports. They cannot be like over flourishing like football. Do not forget our football, our national game should be football, and all these administrators, federations should work together, and we should be in good contact with Qatar and with FIFA, the main organization of football. Let me give you an example of Qatar. When they qualified for the World Cup, they only have 3 stadiums. The World Cup organization, the chairman of the World Cup said, you have earned the lottery and the bid to make the World Cup in Qatar, but we cannot allow it because your infrastructure is not there. So what Qatar government did, I salute to them, I congratulate them. They did not pass that bid to the other country, and I did not allow that to go for other country. No, they say it's an honor to have the World Cup in the Middle East, in Qatar. The first World Cup is going to happen in Qatar, in the Middle East, and that is part of the Middle East, and they honored that. And the World Cup company, or the World Cup chairman said, you have to build between 15 to 12 stadiums. They said, it's okay, sir. Right on. We can make a whole city for World Cup. We can build an entire city with stadiums. We have funds, and we are ready to operate this World Cup. So congratulate to Qatar again, and now you can see what is the spirit of football. Here I'm going to end. It was just a simple motivational lecture, and for the respect of football and for the promotion of football. Make football your national sports and go to Qatar. Take your kids to Qatar. It's a good investment, and try to teach them how important could be football in the character of Pakistani nation at all levels. Thank you very much. Pakistan Zindabad, viva el mundo, viva el fútbol. कि फुटबॉल हमेशा जिंदा रहे, उर्दू में कह रहा हूँ, पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद। इंशाल्लाह फिर आपसे बात होगी स्पोर्ट्स। थैंक यू।